Farmer Dean here, and I'm planting tomatoes today in my container. These are ones that I've grown. I've lifted them so that they're down there deep. I've got a hole dug. I've got to put in my one of my hacks, about half a cup of eggshells. I'm going to put that right in there and cover that up with dirt. Then we're going to take the Epsom salts, which is another hack of mine. That's for root growth, and that's for the magnesium. Now all I have to do is one other thing, put companion plants in here to keep those darn hornworms off from the tomato plants. Two companion plants that I'm putting in is, one is basil, if I can get it out of the pot, and we're just going to put that in here. And the other two is I'm going to put in some garlic. That also deters bugs. So there's only two more things to do. One is, got to use my mulch. Got to have mulch in there so that we keep that moisture in there. I'm going to put at least an inch on it, maybe a little bit more. And the other thing is, I'm going to water it in, but I'm also going to give it a shot of fertilizer. This is from Thrive. It's one of the many that you can buy. I like this one. I'm going to water this in really hard. You want to learn how to grow sweeter and bigger tomatoes, pest-free? Then download my 7 hacks on how to grow sweeter and bigger tomatoes in the bio.